Aside from using the kit myself, I have a lot of patients that really love this kit because a lot of times when they do not, they haven't previously had support for their abdomen. Again, this abdominal band is magical almost. I have patients have told me that it helps them to walk better, to stand longer. Also, as far as the back brace goes, it helps to relieve a lot of the pressure on the patient's pelvis. The pelvic bone pressure can be very severe. Also, it helps to alleviate a lot of the hip pain that women have with pregnancy that comes secondary to the spreading of the bones. With the SEDs and the compression devices for your legs, again, when we're up, we're moving around, we're working, we're being super women, our legs will tend to swell. So that if we have these devices, it helps decrease that swelling and helps decrease the discomfort associated with the swelling.